So when you have this little squiggly here, we have learned congruent, and congruent is like this. But when you just have the squiggly symbol without the equal sign like this, that means similar. And when two things are similar, they have the same shape but different size. Different size. Oh my gosh. This means congruent. And this one means similar. And that's what we're dealing with today. The first thing you're going to do is put your similarity statement on top of each other. So we have triangle QRS and triangle QKJ. Everybody understand what I'm doing? Just putting them on top of each other. All right? The next thing you're going to do is set up two fractions. Well, that's what we did the last time I saw you. We did proportions, getting you ready for this lesson, okay? So what we're going to do is put the two numbers that are on the left triangle on the numerator. And if you put them in the denominator, it's fine too. So 39 and 36, okay? Now, the bottom two numbers isn't random. You've got to put them in the right place. So we're going to look at the picture. 39 is SQ. Everybody see that that's SQ? So SQ would be equal to QJ. So I go over to the other equation, the other triangle, and QJ is this guy. So the 26 goes under the 39. And then the 36 will have the X because there's nothing else there to pick, okay? But if you want to do it slowly, the 36 is RQ, and that goes with QK, which is the X. Everybody get why I put those there? So now you have two fractions equal to each other. And you cross multiply, and it would be 39x equals 36 times 26. What is 36 times 26? So 39x equals 936. And then you divide by 39 to leave the x alone.
24.
And x is 24. So if I put a 24 here, and I reduce these two fractions, I would get the same ugly decimal or the same fraction. Everybody do that. What is 39 over 26? Math, enter, enter. Everybody do that. So both of these fractions equal 3/2 because that is the proportion of the sides. Well, this would be nice if it were. So the first thing we do here is write the letters on top of each other because it's easier for me to see. And if you don't need to do that, that's fine. And I'm going to put the two fractions, and I'm going to put the x and the 48. Doesn't matter what order you put them in, but they have to both be on the same side of the fraction, either the upstairs or the downstairs, okay? Now we're going to look at the x. The x is BC. Does everybody see that that's side BC?
Yeah.
So I go over here to BC, and I go below it, and I need to find the number that's on side LK. So we put the 60 with the x and the 30 with the 48. Okay? And now we cross multiply. 30x equals 60 times 48, whatever that is. Somebody tell me what 60 times 48 is. So 60 times 48 is 2,880. And divide by 30. And 90 what? X equals 96. Now, when I put a 96 here, everybody put 96 over 60 in your calculator, and then hit math, enter, enter, and tell me what you get. So what is it? 96 over 60, math, enter, enter, what is it? It's 8 over 5. Now put in 48 over 30. And it's also 8/5.
And that's how you check it.
That's how you check it. The fraction should be the same fraction.